Good morning, Isaac Wood Middle School families. This is Mrs. Wren with your morning meeting for this Friday, October 16, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance and the Isaac Wood Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence, give you a few news and announcements, and wind down this week with a mindful moment. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaac Wood Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right. Not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here are a few news and announcements for this Friday, October the 16th. MNPS middle schools will begin phasing in with 5th and 6th grade students who selected in-person learning on Tuesday, October 27th. 7th and 8th grade students will phase in on Wednesday, November 4th. In preparation for the transition to in-person learning, we will begin the process of changing student schedules the week of October 19th through the 23rd. We will let you know when new schedules will be active on Schoology. Please follow your current schedule until that announcement is made. The Isaac Wood Middle School Standard School Attire Policy for the 2021 school year. For the remainder of the 2021 school year, jeans free from rips and holes will be permitted in addition to black, khaki, and navy blue bottoms. Any color polo-style shirt will be required. Isaac Wood Middle School shirts and hoodies will be allowed anytime. Stay tuned for announcements because Isaac Wood Middle School spirit wear will be available for purchase really soon. Before and after care programs for phase-in. Currently, due to COVID-19 and licensing restrictions, we are unable to offer before care for families. We are still in the process for looking at before care alternatives to accommodate families in need of this service. Aftercare services can be provided through NASA. However, at the end of the day, students will be transported off-site to the Martha O'Brien Center for parents to pick them up at the end of the day. If you are interested in exploring this option for aftercare, please fill out the form and someone from NASA will be in contact with you. The form is located at https://tinyurl.com/ILMS-NASA-interest-form. The annual Title I meeting and school reopening roundtable will be held Thursday, October 22, 2020 at 5 o'clock p.m. This will be a Microsoft Teams virtual meeting. Topics include Title I, Isaac Wood Middle School reopening plan, safety measures, and a Q&A. Yoga is back, everyone. Please join us for the Lunchtime Yoga starting Tuesday, October 20th, 2020, from 12:15 to 12:45 for some great stress reduction and management. This will be held every Tuesday. We look forward to seeing you there. The link to join is on the Schoology group, Lit in School Counseling, and School Social Work group page, or you can reach out to Ms. Carter for the link with any questions or concerns. Friday, October 23rd is Parent-Teacher Conference Day. No classes will be held. Grade level teachers will be sending out appointment links on Monday, October 19th to sign up for a conference. Don't forget, parents, you can still help out your kids and sign their permissions on the MNPS portal. Go to www.mnps.org/handbook to change your child's permissions as soon as possible. Parents, don't forget to email your child's teacher for your parent Schoology access codes to check your students' grades and assignments. Isaac Wood school-wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on Remind or on the Isaac Wood Middle School Library website. Isaac Wood Middle School has joined the Project Look community. Our first book selection is Trevor Noah's Born a Crime. If you're interested in joining the group, please email our librarian, Ms. Garrett, at catherine.garrett@mnps.org. We do have copies of the book available for students that are not able to purchase their own. If you have not downloaded the Remind app to keep up with all the Isaac Lynn Middle School news, make sure that you download it on your iPad or your smartphone. Here is our mindful moment for this Friday. Thank you for tuning in to these announcements for Friday, October 16th. Don't forget to look out for our announcements for this next week because we'll be giving out some very important links and information about returning to school. Have a great weekend and remember that you are loved.